The Exchange Worship Center is right in the heart of Pearl on Bearderman Street, where flooding happened quickly Wednesday.
We left for lunch, had one ministry assistant here, and coming back an hour and 10 minutes later, we had taken on 3 to 4 inches of water throughout about 90% of our building.
The water rushed into the building so quickly, it rose about 2 feet, and you can see that they've already had to rip out the baseboards. The carpet is sopping wet, and right now they're just trying to dry out to see what they can salvage. Because of the flooding, worship service will not be able to be held in the building Sunday, so pastors are working with the city to hold a night of worship for people who live in Pearl.
We realized that although we took a pretty direct hit yesterday, there's a lot of residents and businesses around our city that also were affected.
Pastor Bryant says he wants to change his message for Sunday night service to reflect the cleanup that's happening around Pearl.
And we believe that even in the midst of a storm like this, God's still sovereign.
In Pearl, Allie Ware, 16 WAPT News.